Hello and welcome to MightyCall. I'm Kat and today I'll show you how to set up your account. The workspace includes lots of information and handy features. On the left, in the Recent section, you'll see your latest interactions for the past 7 days, sorted chronologically by phone numbers. The most recent ones will be at the top, while the older ones will be at the bottom. You can switch between client and team conversations by clicking on the Clients and Team tabs. Just click on the conversation you need, and you will see all the communication history in the central panel, calls with recordings, voicemails, SMS, MMS, and notes that you and your team members can leave for every event there. In the right section, you will see the contact card with all the contact information about a client or team member, their name, phone numbers, emails, and also internal comments by your team members. For immediate communication, simply press the call and send message or email buttons. The Webphone is integrated into the system, so you can easily open it at any time and dial the number you want to reach. Please make sure you've enabled the microphone in the browser, or your callers won't be able to hear you. At the bottom of the Webphone, you can see the list of your business numbers you can call from, and the gear icon for ringtone, microphone, and speaker headset settings. Just open the dial pad and start entering the number. You will see some suggestions appear. These are your contacts with the same set of digits and their phone numbers. Once you've dialed the number, hit call to start the conversation. In the MightyCall Webphone, you can transfer calls, add participants to the call, and open a dial pad to dial extensions. Speaking about extensions, let's take a look at the Team tab above. Here we can see all the team members associated with your company. You see their statuses at the moment, available, on a call, or do not disturb. Extensions, names, roles, and supervisor indicators for those who have their permissions. Their forwarding numbers and emails are also indicated here. In the Groups tab, you'll see the breakdown of calling groups created for call routing purposes. Click Expand to see all the details, who is included in the group, and what call flows this group is used for. Well, now let's look at your personal profile. To open it, click the 3 dots next to your profile picture and choose Profile. Here you can view and update your first and last name, set up your personal information, your time zone, and your forwarding numbers, the ones you will get calls from your business numbers. To edit your profile, click on the little pen icon on the left. Please make sure you filled out your emergency address in your profile. It ensures emergency response teams can locate you when you call for help in an emergency. Don't forget to update this address whenever you change your physical location. Without this address, you can't make calls or send messages. Of course, if you're not currently located in the United States or Canada, you can choose the option, I reside in another country and don't have an emergency address. Now I'll walk you through MightyCall settings. You see multiple sections here. Let's start with forwarding numbers. Call forwarding rules can be different for each user depending on how you want to answer calls. Via your cell phone, the MightyCall Webphone, the MightyCall mobile app, check the links in the video description, an external IP desk phone or a soft phone. To enable call forwarding to an external soft phone or an IP desk phone, you'll need to use your MightyCall login information in your IP phone settings. Now when you've listed your call forwarding options, you can select whether the incoming calls will ring to them sequentially or simultaneously. If you choose sequentially, make sure to put the call forwarding options in the exact order you want them to ring. We recommend using our Webphone first if you have your browser open most of the time, because combined with the agent's workspace, this allows you to interact with customers more efficiently. If you work on the go, it's better to put the mobile app option on top. This way, you'll receive calls on your cell phone first. In the Answering Rules tab, you can specify how to handle calls when your status is Do Not Disturb, when you're busy on another call, or when you don't answer. In Greetings and Media, you personalize your audio greetings by choosing the music on hold, adding a custom ringback tone, and changing the message the callers will hear if they're directed to your voicemail or the dial by name routing option. Sure enough, you can choose one of the default audios, but if you want to add your own custom greeting, you can upload it here, or record your own using the Record via Phone option. It works this way: just enter your cell phone number and you will receive a call. Pick it up and dictate your message. It will be loaded into the system, so you can select it. Also, if you're planning to use the dial by name option, you will need to make a recording with your first and last name pronounced clearly and add it here. When you're done, please check the dial by name option in the additional settings tab and save the changes. Finally, if you'd like to receive emails about new voicemails and their transcriptions, please put a check in the notification settings. That's it about your settings, but there's one more important topic I'd like to cover, the MightyCall Call Center app. Let's check it out. The MightyCall Call Center mobile app is available on iOS and Android. In the app, you can make and receive calls, read and answer messages, change your status, add and edit contacts, view communication history, listen to your voicemails and read the transcripts, listen to call recordings, and block unwanted callers. For your outgoing calls, you can use one of the 3 calling methods: IP telephony, mixed method, or cellular network. Use the IP telephony option if you have a good internet connection. This way, the customers you call will see your MightyCall business number or caller ID, and you will not be using your cell phone package data or minutes, just your MightyCall minutes. Use the mixed method if you have a poor internet connection. In this case, the call will go through your MightyCall business number. It will also be displayed for your clients, but both your cell phone provider's minutes and MightyCall minutes will be used. And lastly, if you have no internet connection, use the cellular network option. Your business number will not be displayed, and the calls will ring from your cell phone number. I hope this video helped you get more confident using MightyCall. You can always check our other YouTube videos and support portal for more guides on how to work with MightyCall, or contact our support team for assistance. Thank you for joining.